Hi everybody, it's Drew White. We're going to take a quick pause from Mondays with Mike and bring a little course care update. So if you ever wondered how we select or change the hole locations in the green, well, you're in luck because we're about to show you. So how we pick the hole locations is that we utilize a computer program called Easy Locator. And what we do is we have the date, we have our green speed set, we hit generate, and then it goes through an algorithm that selects the holes for us based on slope and how long a pin's been in a certain spot. So we go to one green, click on that, and you will see the severity of the front face here. You'll see the dark green is relatively flat areas, and then with the blue would be very steep areas. And so what we do daily is just come in here and make sure that this pin is something that we want, for Tuesday night men's leagues or member guests. We'll go down and get a little bit more aggressive with the pin placements. You can see it goes through each green, and as we raise the green speeds, these areas will get some more slope and then not allow the pins to go in these certain areas. On this green, this is number 2. So you can see these are old pin placements here. This is from Sunday's pin. This is Saturday's pin location. So the computer won't allow another pin too close, so it kind of spreads out the wear and tear on it. And then this is what you see in your cart. On this right-hand side, it shows us kind of a left and right. So we make sure we have it a nice even balance. Same thing with front, middle, back. Just gives us great information to make sure we're evenly distributing the pin locations throughout the golf course. So we will head out to one of these greens and show you the next step. So here we are on the third hole. As you can see on the pin sheet, we're 13 on and 5 to the right. So we'll go ahead and show you what that looks like. So here on our location, what we want to do is also just make sure that we're not next to an old ball mark, gouge on the green or anything like that. So we just kind of survey the area, make sure it's a good spot. Take our cup cutter. All right, so now we're going to remove the old cup. There's the new cup, and hopefully next Monday Mike will be able to sink a putt when he returns with Mondays with Mike.